Check this out. I can now type any prompt inside WordPress and it will create it for me. Like for instance, create a real-time currency converter app for WordPress using code. Boom, done. And now I have my own currency converter app with which I can convert any base currency into any target currency, and all of this using different API providers, and this is what it looks like in the front end. Or let's build a floating bug report tool that allows users to take screenshots or record their screen to report issues. And done. Now I have my bug report tool right here. I can take a screenshot or record my screen, enter my details, submit the report, and all the reports will be recorded in the backend. Or even something like create a WooCommerce product grid widget for Elementor with customizable multi-column layouts. And now if I go to Elementor and look for grid, and there it is, our own custom widget that we can now use on our page. And have a quick look in the front end. We now have our own custom personalized WooCommerce product grid. Did you see that? You can now build basically anything that you want directly inside WordPress using AI. So that means you don't have to install 15 different plugins anymore, and you can stop hunting for Elementor add-ons, and also no more bloated WooCommerce extensions. And the craziest part, you get access to basically unlimited possibilities, and all of this with one free plugin. Someone left a comment the other day saying that WordPress is basically a dying dinosaur. Well, today I'm going to show you why WordPress is absolutely not dying, because this changes everything. Alright, so the tool making all of this happen is Elementor's brand new agentic AI agent called Angie, your own AI powered WordPress developer, which is currently completely free. This thing is absolutely insane. You now have literally access to thousands of possible widgets, plugins, or whatever that you can create directly from within your WordPress dashboard. Let me show you a few examples here just to show you what's possible. So I'll leave all the links in the description below as always, so you can go to prompts.elementor.com, and right here you have all these different options. For instance, do you want to create a moving image gallery? Do you want to create new breadcrumb widget? Do you want to have a site-wide publishing activity like on GitHub? Do you want to enhance your cart widget with payment and benefit sections? Or would you like to add a site speed test dashboard widget? Or would you like to enhance WooCommerce by adding marketing intelligence with a head-up display? Or something more design-related, like for instance, add a liquid effect on images, image zoom on scroll, magnetic button and links, or perhaps replace your 404 page with a maze game leading back to your home page. Literally, boosh, mind blown. Now let me show you how you can create those different plugins and add-ons directly inside WordPress. So from your WordPress dashboard, once you have Angie installed as we have here, right on top you'll find this link here. If you click on this, it will open up a sidebar, and this is where your AI lives. And from here, you can enter any prompt that you want. So for instance, we can add additional features to our WordPress dashboard. So create a PHP and JavaScript snippet to build a dynamic admin favorite system, and then it should function as follows. So we have the menu, we have the add button, we have the display, the management, etc., etc. Okay, so basically this will add an extra tab here in our menu section where we can save all our favorites. So let's run this together, and immediately, as you can see, it gets to work. So it's creating the code snippets for us, the instructions. It's creating dynamic admin favorite PHP and JavaScript artifacts. It's deploying the snippet to WordPress already. Very good. And now you can publish to live. But before this, you have the option to save this to your cloud library. If you do so, you'll be able to reuse that on multiple different websites. So let's publish to live. Very good. So now we can close our sidebar and have a look at our WordPress dashboard. And as you can see, we have indeed a favorites tab. Now click on this. So how do we use this? Simply click the icon next to any admin page title to add it. So let's go maybe to the WooCommerce orders, and I'm going to add that to my favorites. Now, if I go back to my favorites, you can see that that shortcut is now here. Now, you may have noticed we have a pink border all around our screen is because we are still in test mode. So if you go back here, you can make changes to your app. And once you are done, you can close this to go back to live mode, and then your app will be up and running officially. And then right here by the side in your menu section under the Angie tab, you have the code snippets. This is where you'll find all your different apps. Here you can enable them or disable them, and also import existing ones from your cloud library. Very good. So now I'd like to push the boundaries a little little bit farther and see how far we can go. So what I'm going to try now is to redesign the full WordPress dashboard completely with a new layout. So maybe let's say retro 1980s look, maybe typewriter look, and also I'd like the menu to be on top, and also ask Angie to reorganize all the menu items in a logical manner. So let's see what will happen. So here's the prompt I'm going to use. Feel free to pause here to read it, and let's build this together. So Angie, this is my prompt, Control V, and let's create. Okay, so let's discover the outcome. As you can see, the code has been created. Now we need to reload, obviously. So let's click on this. Oh my goodness, it did it. So let's publish this to live. And let's X out of this. Let's come out of the test mode. And as you can see, it looks exactly like a 1980s terminal. And right here on top, we have the menu, like we said. So we have content, we have our post, our media, our pages. This one here is all related to designs of Elementor, appearance, template. We have business and store, WooCommerce right here, our products, analytics, and we have system control. So this is all our plugins, tools, settings, and user settings. So, I mean, come on, guys, this is just unreal. So now you can clearly see how powerful this AI agent is. Now you can also use Angie for simpler tasks like creating blog posts or WooCommerce products or marking all WooCommerce orders as completed, etc., etc. So again, the possibilities are literally endless. So there you go, guys. Feel free to install Angie now on your WordPress website and let us know in the comment section what you've come up with.